Welcome back, guys, and we are here with yet another chicken video, and these are the ingredients: garlic and onion powder, flaxseed, and we have our salt and pepper. The star of the show, a chicken quarter.
Alright, breast quarter, guys. So first,
specifically the breast quarter.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna leave the drum on it, on the breast. But to be honest, just the bone in the drum I really want. So I'm gonna
the drum?
The bone in the drum.
Okay, the drum wing.
Yeah, the drum wing. So I'm gonna use the breast along with the bone in the drum wing.
Okay. And guys, drop it down below and let us know the benefits of flaxseed. That is our little quiz for you guys. The benefits of flaxseed. Just peeling away that meat.
Kind of look technical, guys, but simple 1, 2, 3.
Yes, guys, and please remember, we have already cleaned our meats before we come on the cameras, guys, right? Always clean our meat before. And we clean our meat with either vinegar or lime, or maybe both, right? Alright, give you guys a closer look.
Don't try this at home, guys. Just follow the steps and if you work out. This is like
what is Chef Reid saying, guys? He's saying don't try this at home, but he's saying to follow the steps. Drop it down in the comment section if you understand what he means.
Alright, so
this is how we're looking.
No, I want about this amount of the breast. Now use all that, guys.
Guys, you have any idea what he's going to do? Drop it down in the comment section if you can figure out what he's going to do. You see it coming along? You see the idea coming along?
See the traps? You don't know the traps? Nah, know the thing go.
Let me tell you, he used that drumstick to get a drummer from the breast. Did you figure it out?
So you can hold yourself to eat the chicken.
Yes. Did you? Well, show them again.
Hold on, coming back
okay.
Coming back at that. Clean up the meat first.
Yes, guys, we're just cutting off the excess of what we don't need.
So can you hold here?
Yes, guys. So we have a drummer out of chicken breast. Creativity, creative minds. So we're just cutting off the pieces that we don't relatively need right now, or don't need in this.
Alright.
And there we have it, our drummer from a chicken breast.
So guys, now we're gonna season from high so it's evenly spread.
Yes, and we're going in with some of our garlic and onion powder mixture. And guys, moderate with the seasoning. Moderate.
Because you're gonna pan-sear this, guys, and you don't want it to burn.
Yes, guys.
Salt and pepper.
Yes, guys, because you know, seasoning equals flavor and flavor equals taste.
And guys, sometimes you can make a little rub. You can use oil and make it mix all the seasons together, but you have to measure them first, guys, so you don't overpour any of them.
Yes.
So they are evenly distributed. Alright, I'll eat this.
Alright, guys, so we're going to allow this to marinate for 30 minutes to an hour, or you can marinate it for however long you have, but that's the time we have right now. So that's the time we're going to marinate this for. So see you again when it's time to submerge in the oil.
Soon forward.
Yes, guys, look at that. Oil is at the right temperature that we like it. Submerge that chicken, and you know, always skin side down. And remember, practice to lay away so you don't have flash and burn.
And now we're gonna add the flaxseed, guys.
Yes, guys.
So I'm done to have one. So soon forward again.
And guys, we're going to give this 5 to 8 minutes on each side, so we soon come. Yes, guys, it's about that time to give it a check. Look at that. Perfect. Yes, guys, that's how we want it.
Now we're gonna add a little more flaxseed on top.
Beautiful. Alright guys, look, this is how it's looking. Alright, so we'll soon come back again. Soon forward. Yes guys, look at that, look at that. Just like how we want it. So now it's removal time. So we're gonna get on with the plating. Let's go.
Over the plating station. We're soon forward again.
So forward. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes guys, and we are back. And from you see the plate, you know what time it is. So drop those comments down in the comment section.
Right here.
Yes guys, and we have our fried rice. Drop it down in the comment section and tell us how you like your fried rice. If you like it with egg in there, how you like it, let us know. Yes guys, look at that. Beautiful. We have dark brown, we have light brown, we have char brown. However you like your dark chocolate. Yeah, see all those colors right there.
You know, I wonder why we use the scoop and then break it up, you know? This was a part of the plan to get the chicken to sit properly.
Yes guys. And remember guys, cooking is art, right? So you express yourself however you want.
As a young chef, you have to draw this, you have to draw your plate in your head. Think about it. But like me now, we're just free-handed. We play it freehand. We don't think about it because we already know what we expect.
Yes guys, our creative juices, we don't really have to think about it. It just come right to us on the spot. So yes, but if you're not like us, you can always take your time, jot it down, do your little sketches and stuff like that, so you have a clear idea of where you're going, right? So now that we have the rice on the plate, the chicken on the plate, what else you think we come in with? That veg. Yes guys, vegetables are important. They have a lot of nutritional benefits, and the healthier way of eating is always the better way, right?
Oh, that's good enough.
Yes guys. And guys, remember, we do caterings. So if you know of anyone or your family members have a birthday party, baby shower, graduation, luncheon or banquet, you can just let us know, right? Our Instagrams will be in the comment section, the description I should say.
Alright guys.
Coming along with that sauce, steaming hot guys. Look at that, beautifully done, right? And what you think this plate is missing? If you've been with us, you know exactly what we're moving on to now. Yes guys, I'm talking about the garnish. You always have to complete your plate with that garnishing and give it that finishing touch. So if you see anywhere where you make any splash or anything that you don't want, feel free to get a damp rag or cloth and you can wipe it off, or you can use your paper towel. Ensure that it is damp, right guys? And you clean that up because your work represents you, right? Yes guys, I'm just talking with you guys and giving you guys some tips and stuff. I don't know if you're gonna make it to this far of the video in hearing all that I'm saying, but if you do, drop it down in the comment section and let us know, because we know that we're inspiring a lot of you guys and we are definitely teaching a lot of you. And just show us what you have learned and how you're putting
sesame seed, guys.
Flax seed.
Yeah, flax. Sorry about that, flax seed. Guys.
Yes guys, and remember, drop it down in the comment section and tell us the benefits of flax seed. Yes guys.
Alright, so when I'm done to the chefs, I want to know what I go on. So I'm going to rotate.
Yes, this plating was inspired by the healthier eating.
Right. Get out.
Hold on a minute.
Get out. Who is you? Alright, I'm done now. Back there.
Right there. Alright. Let's give you guys a rotation now. And guys, remember, follow our socials. We post pictures over there. Check the description for that. And we have a chef TikTok. Feel free to follow us. I'll just put that in the description as well. So there you have it. Simple and easy, right? Shh, don't tell nobody secret, you know. Simple and easy. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?